Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Меня зовут Мария, агентство недвижимости Продается. Сегодня мы находимся в резиденции Анаполис. В продаже у нас двухкомнатная квартира с большой террасой и шикарным видом на море.
Open up a bottle, and baby you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh. Moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up.